automatic slab loading by the slab loader. The labeling machine automatically labels workpieces according to the program, and each labeled workpiece will have a unique identification code. Automatic edge alignment of slabs. The bridging cutter slices the incoming material and automatically moves it in and out of the discharge area upon completion. The sorting robotic arm picks up the workpieces and transfers them to the corresponding process section for secondary processing. The strips and leftover materials are moved to designated locations and await further processing. The horizontal edge polishing machine identifies programs via QR codes to automatically perform edge processing. Automatic edge alignment of slabs. The scanner identifies the workpiece QR code. The sinkholing machine's work table positions and clamps the workpiece. High-precision electric spindles enable milling and grinding to form sinkholes in one process, ensuring perfect sinkhole quality. The vertical storage system stores finished workpieces and enables automatic delivery based on orders.